What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok for your business. I'm going to show you how to use TikTok to blow up your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your business, your brand, everything, guys. TikTok has literally helped me grow in all aspects of my business, with YouTube, with Instagram, with my Facebook groups. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it in just the last month. TikTok has literally just blown me up. It's incredible. I'm going to show you proof. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you what type of videos to post. I got you covered. This is going to be an in-depth video, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, I want to let you know my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. If you are new to my channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to drive traffic, how to grow on YouTube, anything of that nature. So if you are interested, subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So first of all, I want to show you kind of my growth in TikTok, okay? In the first month, so I've only been on TikTok 1 month, okay? So my first month, I was able to get 426,000 video views. You can see here in the last 28 days here. So I haven't even been on TikTok more than a month. Like, it's literally been less than 28 days. So today's the 15th. I got in there about November 18th, so a little less than a month. But you can see about 400,000 video views, a little over 3,000 followers, guys, in the last month. Like, it's incredible, okay? Like, the growth on TikTok is just crazy, okay? So you can see here some of my stats, okay? So let me show you how I grew my channel even 33% more. So I asked my YouTube audience, so how did you find my my YouTube channel? Obviously, most people find it through YouTube, right? But 33% found it through TikTok. So that's incredible, guys. So I'm getting a lot of people to find my channel with TikTok, which is really, really powerful. So you can see that I've been able to grow my YouTube channel a lot quicker, okay? And I'm finding other distributions to grow my TikTok, or to grow my YouTube, okay? In this case, I'm using TikTok. So, you know, a great way to grow your YouTube channel. I'm going to go in depth on how I did it. I just want to let you know kind of some of my stats. And this is my profile, guys. So actually, I did a video on like how to set up your profile, what type of bio you should do. So if you actually go about 3 weeks ago, this is the video here. I'll link that in the description below so you can take a look at that. But it's basically like a step-by-step on how to, like, kind of the setup part, okay? This training is going to be more advanced, as in like what type of videos should you post, stuff like that, okay? So if you want the more like step-by-step how to set up, watch that older video, okay? Anyways, okay, this is my profile here, okay? So you can see here I've had over 10,000 likes, 3,000 followers, which is cool. And then you can see here that there's a link to my YouTube channel. I'm going to go, and then I'm going to show you exactly, how I, strategize my TikTok channel, okay? So anyways, you can kind of see my TikTok here, okay? All right, so I want to answer a few questions here. So how do I grow my business or brand on TikTok? Okay, so a lot of people come to me and like, okay, well, TikTok is a lot of younger demographics, a lot of just teenagers. And yes, that is true. There's a lot of younger people, but there are a lot of older people, and people are starting to get onto TikTok. So just like Instagram, just like Facebook, it was just the younger demographics. But here's the thing, guys, you got to understand, if you can establish yourself as an authority on TikTok right now, then when everyone starts flooding the system, or starts getting into TikTok, all the marketers, all the big brands, you're already established, okay? So if you remember on Instagram, there was a lot of companies that were nobodies, okay? A lot of like influencers, but they were like the first ones on Instagram, and they would just post, and they were able to blow up, okay? So now, like, it's hard to grow on Instagram, okay? You still can, but what I'm saying is, if you can get on TikTok now and establish your authority, establish your brand, you're going to have a huge following, because the reach on TikTok is incredible. And I'm going to show you exactly my reach on TikTok and here in a little bit, okay? So so how do you grow your business or brand? Well, first of all, just start establishing your authority, right? Start posting videos, start helping, providing value, just like you do on anything else, blogging, YouTube. But I'm going to show you the type of videos to post, okay? So what type of videos should I make on TikTok, okay? Obviously, it depends on your brand. For me, I teach people how to make money online, right? So I got to get strategic. So I got to do videos like I do on YouTube, but you got to remember, TikTok is a lot quicker, okay? You got to get people's attention quicker, okay? So let me show you just some examples of stuff I do. So kind of crazy on my videos here, but hey, it works. So Let me see here. So what I did here is I just copied them and I sent them to myself on Messenger. Okay. So these are some of the videos I do. Real quick, let me show you something pretty cool here. Okay. One of the videos I posted, guys, I had over 141,000 views on one video, just on one video, guys. It's incredible. Some videos will just blow up, and it's hard to say, you know, how, but you just got to keep posting videos. I've had, I think, 3 videos over 100,000 views. Okay. And, you know, most of my videos, I get 1,000 views like in the first day. It's insane. But anyways, let me show you the type of videos that I post. Okay. So basically, let me pull up this one here.
Okay, ways to make money, part 1. This is specifically for high schoolers and middle schoolers. Pay attention to each step. I used to do this in high school, and I made a ton of cash. So you order 4 boxes of pizza, 8 slices each, about $6 a box before school is over. You're going to sell individual slices about $3 a pizza, $3 minus 75 cents. That's $2.25, $18 profit per box. If you do 4 boxes a day, that's $72 for 4 boxes. I promise you they sell very quickly. $72 times 180 days of school, that's $12,960. If you're a hustler like me, do this and I promise you can make some money at your school. If you want to learn...
And then, as you can see, I show my YouTube.
And my channel is dedicated to making money online.
So sorry about the quality. The quality's not showing good on here, but it shows better on the phone. But what I'm trying to say is I'm doing quick videos to show people, you know, how to make money online. In this case, I'm teaching people, you know, easy ways to make money. Okay, so yes, you got to get creative on like creating videos, but as you can see, they're just simple videos on how I basically you know, make money online. Okay, so you can do the same thing with your business. If you're, you know, teaching people fitness, hey, 5 quick tips on, you know, how to you know, lose weight, you know, but you gotta be quick. People, you know, I talk fast on TikTok because people have that short attention span. Okay, so you just got to understand the platform. So that's one option there. A lot of my videos, so let me see if I can pull up this document. So what I do here is kind of cool. So let me see here. So these are the documents I create. So like literally like ways to make money part 1. So I'll film this and then like I'll stop it and then I'll film like the next section here. Then I'll stop the video and I'll film this. So I'm literally just making a document and filming like stuff on how to make money online. So you can see here, you know, that's the one video, and then easy ways to make money part 2 for hustlers. And then basically, so you can see, I mean, go to my TikTok and you can see all the videos I do. Okay, it's all strategic, obviously, but it's quick videos on how to make money online. It's very simple, guys. It's really not that hard. So I just want to show you kind of what I'm doing on TikTok to grow. Okay, that's the type of videos I'm making. Some videos I'm literally just out there, guys. I'm literally just you have to look at my my TikTok. I'm a little crazy out there, but you got to realize that's what people like on TikTok. You got to be loud. Like, don't even think. Like, just start filming and just have fun with it. It's kind of a cool platform. But anyways, that's the type of videos you should make. Quick, informative, and to the point. Okay? All right. So how do I grow my YouTube channel using TikTok? So this is what I do. So I do kind of like a teaser. So I show them, hey, like, you know, I'm going to show you exactly, you know, 7 steps on how to grow on ClickBank or how to get ClickBank sales, okay? And then I show them like a quick overview, but then I'm like, go to my YouTube channel to finish watching the rest, okay? So, for example, if we go to my profile here, people can go to your profile and then click on this, and basically it'll drive them straight to your YouTube channel and they can watch your videos. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a bunch of videos on, you know, like for example, if I go here and let's just say, I want to teach them about the 7 steps for ClickBank, okay? So then I teach them, hey guys, I'm going to show you 7 steps on how to get ClickBank sales. So then I teach them, you know, a few steps. And I'm like, if you want the rest, go to my YouTube channel and check out the rest. And they're going to go to my YouTube channel. Now, you can tell them in the video to go to your channel or to click the link in your description, because what's cool is you can actually actually link your YouTube channel in here. So if they click the link, it'll go straight to their your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's how I'm doing it. So let me show you another example of a video I made, okay, on my YouTube. Okay, let me see here. This is a YouTube video I made. Very simple. It's like 5 seconds. I didn't even talk, and I just put some music. So guys, That's what I'm doing. Just literally taking videos of my thumbnails and then telling people to go on my YouTube. See, PayPal money now, see my YouTube training. So it doesn't matter what you're doing. You just got to get people to go to your YouTube channel, okay? And you're hooking them, you're teasing them with something, whether it's a thumbnail or what you're saying. You can test out different things. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm getting a ton of people to my TikTok. It's really, really cool. So. Okay, so that's how you grow your YouTube channel using TikTok. Okay, next question: how do I grow my Instagram account using TikTok? So same thing. So let me see if I have an example here. Let me see. I thought I had an example. So if you want to grow on Instagram, you can kind of do the same thing. But what I'm doing is basically like having a video. So you can only do 1-minute videos on TikTok. But like at the end of the video, you can have a text that says, if you want to watch the rest of this video, go to my Instagram or go here, and then basically they can go here, click this button, and they'll go to your Instagram. Okay. TikTok lets you put on your Instagram account and your YouTube. That's it. You can't throw any other links. Okay. But same thing, guys. You're teasing them to go to your either YouTube or Instagram. It's the same thing. Whatever you're trying to get them to do, right? Whether it's fitness or how to make money online, or you teach a dance course, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You can just grow on TikTok because it's so easy to grow. The organic reach is incredible. Okay, so that's that. All right. So next question: what's the main strategy of TikTok for business? So I kind of explained that, but let me explain a little bit more. So what we're doing is we're creating videos. Okay, and in those videos, what you want to do is just create a ton of content. So like 5 to 10 videos a day. But here's the thing. It's really easy to make a video. You can literally take probably 10 seconds, take a video of you recording like a YouTube thumbnail or just something. Like you don't have to spend that much time on TikTok, which is cool because my main strategy is YouTube. Okay, that's my main thing on how I grow my brand. But TikTok takes an extra 10 minutes a day, and I can just post a ton of videos. Okay, so another strategy that I do, if we go back here, you can see I have this drafts. Okay, so people can't see this, only I can see this. But what I can do is So what I do is in the morning I do a ton of videos. Okay, I like take 10 videos and then I put them to draft, and then I post them throughout the day. And I do that every day because I want to have videos, throughout the day, every few hours. But you can put 10 videos in this draft folder on TikTok, and then you can go ahead and you schedule them out throughout the day. So that's what I'm doing, just to have consistent content. Okay, that's kind of my business strategy. But here's the thing: you don't want to. So it kind of leads into my next question. So how can I add external links to TikTok? Sorry. So you can't add external links to TikTok. You can only add YouTube and Instagram links. Okay, so in here you can only add YouTube and Instagram profiles. Okay, but like I said, what you want to do is you want to build that connection through either Instagram or YouTube, preferably YouTube, because you can connect that. You can have that video connection. But if you don't like YouTube, you can grow your Instagram account. Okay, so that's what I recommend, guys. Is no, you can't throw external links yet, but what you want to do is grow your authority, and then I think eventually they're gonna definitely add swipe up links and stuff like that, just like Instagram did. But right now you can't. But you gotta understand, TikTok is an amazing place to grow your brand because it's so easy at the moment. Okay, think back of 2011 Instagram. It was really, really easy to blow up on Instagram. Anyone could have done it if you did it, but you didn't do it, right? Because you thought, oh, it's just young kids, posting pictures. Yes, that's true, but look at it now. Now it's like a powerhouse to grow your business, right? Same thing with Facebook. So you got to realize, guys, that TikTok is a great vehicle to help you grow your other brands, whether it's YouTube or Instagram. Even though it might die out, it could. But why not funnel the traffic you're getting now? Like you saw my stats, guys. 33% of people are finding my YouTube channel through TikTok. I'm building that connection. 3,300 followers and 400,000 video views. I don't even have that on YouTube, and I have way better content on YouTube. Okay, I wish I had that on YouTube. You gotta understand, the growth out there for TikTok is incredible. Okay, so That's kind of the strategy, okay? How do I access TikTok Analytics? It's very easy, guys. You just create a pro account. So if you go to settings, you can actually, there's an option to create a pro account, which is basically a business account, and you can access all your analytics. And basically, you can see all this stuff here, okay? So you can see like your video views, your followers. You can see analytics on content and followers. That's one thing I don't like. The analytics are not that great. Like, I would be cool if I can track exactly how many people are clicking to my YouTube channel. Just some more in-depth stuff. But it's basic analytics. I mean, I'm sure it'll get better just like Instagram did. But yeah, I mean, basically, I definitely recommend a pro account. I think TikTok will promote your account more. That's what I've noticed so far. But yeah, definitely get a pro account if you have a business, okay? All right. Last thing here, how can I increase TikTok followers fast? Well, obviously post a lot, post every day. People will start, naturally following you organically. But also if you are in my Facebook group, we actually have a TikTok train. So basically it's a follow for follow type thing. It'll help you grow faster. So if you go to my group, Passive Income Lifestyles, and if you go to units, I actually have a lot of trains here. So I have like a YouTube train, over 600 people are following each other. I have a Facebook group train, a Pinterest train. But if you go here, it's a TikTok follow train that I just started. Over, almost 300 people are in here. So if you go here, you can basically get your TikTok fast, okay? So, everyone in my group is really cool. They're going to follow you. As long as you follow everyone back, you can come in here and post your TikTok, and people are following each other back, okay? So it's a quick way to get, some followers on TikTok is with, engagement groups. So, I created that here. You can see that everyone's posting their account, okay? And we just help each other grow, guys. That's what I do in my Facebook group is I help my group grow, whether it's their YouTube, their TikTok, whatever it is. In this case, obviously, we're talking about TikTok. But anyways, that is pretty much the strategy on TikTok. Honestly, go to my TikTok and see what I'm doing. Like, you can literally copy my videos. Like, I don't care. Like, copy my videos. You can save my videos. I think I let you like reuse my videos if you like. I don't care. Like, use it for yourself. Like, I totally do not care. Maybe tag me, just so just say, give me some credit. If not, who cares? I want to help you out. Use my videos, create my, the type of videos I do. Go to my TikTok, guys. See what I'm doing. Like, I just started, but I've done 100 videos in the last 30 days. So, that's what I've done so far. But yeah, guys, that's basically kind of the advanced strategy on TikTok. I'm going to be coming out with more videos on TikTok. So if you are interested in, kind of more advanced stuff, more things I do on TikTok, comment below. Let me know if you are interested. And I'll definitely be coming out with stuff on TikTok because, it's a great way to grow your channel. Okay. And it's easy. It's really not that hard to do. And then I do have a complete training on TikTok, which was the first video I did. I go step by step on how to set up your account here. If you want that video, it's about, it's this video right here, okay? Basically, this video shows you step by step how to set up your account, all that stuff. So that's another video. I'm not going to go into that now. But yeah, guys, that's basically the strategy on TikTok. Very easily to do, using TikTok to grow your business. So yes, if you like that video, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Really appreciate it. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day on how to grow your business, how to grow your brand, anything like that, guys. So please subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow on YouTube. Like this video. Comment if you have any questions on TikTok or any questions in general. You can also reach out to me on Facebook Messenger, or you can, like I said, join my group. And, I hang out a lot in my Facebook group. So if you want, specific questions, go ahead on there and ask me. So anyways, guys, I will talk to you soon. And yeah, God bless.